Eto na, nakauwi na ako from Thailand. And kwento ko lang, may hindi magandang nangyari sa akin sa Thailand. So we stayed there for more than 2 weeks. 3 days before kami umuwi, pumunta kami sa Chatuchak Market. And I lost I lost my DJI mic, yung isa nito. So yan. So I still have one naman, pero 'di ba? Yan, especially magkano rin to. This is about 8,000, mga ganun, 8,000 each. Kapag binili mo siya ng separate. And so yun, nawala ko yung isa. Nangyari kasi is, yung mic ko is lagi ko lang nakaklip sa bag. Siyempre minsan nalagay ko sa likod. Tapos I don't know, siguro doon siya nalaglag, siguro sa Grab, hindi ko nakita nalaglag, or I don't know, habang naglalakad siguro. I don't think naman ninenok siya. So, I think nalaglag lang siya. So, yun, pero nung nawala siya, actually, sabi ko na lang, sige, total, palabas naman yung DJI mic mini because it's being leaked din naman na for a couple of months na din naman. And yeah, that's why I have this. I have this na. So, it was released na by DJI. Pagka-release nila, order agad ako. By the way, yung Yellow Basket andyan. So, if interested kayo dito, you can get it from there. And then, yeah. So, this is my unboxing of this one. Yeah. So, yun na lang din iniisip ko na nung nawala siya, at least I have more reason to buy this. So, I believe this is DJI's answer sa... Recently kasi merong sumisikat na isang microphone system. Ang dami na rin gumagamit kasi compared with this, mas maliit siya. Para lang siyang button. So, I think this is their answer to that. It became so popular na even MKBHD, yun yung ginagamit. So, I'm not sure if it's sponsored or what. Pero knowing MKBHD, I think it's his choice lang. And by the way, when it comes to content creation, mas maarte ako sa audio kaysa sa video. Minsan meron ako mga hindi ina-upload na because pangit yung audio kahit maganda yung pagkakashoot ko or tapos na. Minsan ini-scrap ko na lang. So, yun. So, I'm really investing in mics. So, currently I have this one. And then, ito, yeah, naka-out of frame lang siya. Ito actually yung ginagamit natin ngayon. And then, I previously had yung malaki. This, yung panahon pa ng mga putok na putok yung vlogging. Nag-YouTube pa ako nun. I mean, nag-YouTube vlogs pa ako nun. Before Cryptito was born. First, napansin ko, the bag is super ganda for me. Because I love gray. And this is way better than yung sa Mic 2. First, this is already big. Okay? This is already big. Tapos yung case na it comes with is this one. Okay? Which is, pag nilagay mo yun dyan, sobrang bulky na siya. E paano kung yung bag mo is maliit lang na bag? Ito na lahat ng laman ng bag mo. This is way better. Soft din siya kumpara dito na medyo parang leathery. Okay, meron din mga zipper compartment sa loob. And then, itong mga separators na to. Cables, I think this is the TRS pang-connect mo sa camera. Then, charging cable. Then, ito, ang maganda dito. Ito sa isa sa pinakamaganda, pinakanagustuhan ko dito. It comes with wind muff na kulay black. Kasi actually, even kahit favorite ko ang gray, I don't think this looks good. Kasi medyo, siya agaw eksena. Agaw pansin siya. So, I'm glad that they put a black one here. So, looking at the case, comparing it with the DJI Mic 2, look at that. Oh. Yan yung size comparison. Okay? Ang ganda. Nice one. Wow. Diba? Kita niyo yan? Di ito na. Diba? Ang liit. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Nice. It's very light lang. Talaga. Parang, by the way, this is 10 grams. So, maliit lang siya. It's not gonna pull your shirt. Ganda. Ganda. So, I love it. Ito isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito na wala dito sa Mic 2. May problem with this one. Okay? Pag nilagay mo yung with muff mo, syempre gusto mong siyang gamitin, di ba? Pero, pag ilalagay mo na to dito sa box niya, pag lalagay mo na to sa box niya, kailangan mong tanggalin yung with muff because hindi siya magkakasya na nakalagay yung with muff tapos i-close mo ganyan. So, you will be left with the with muff. Di ba? So, saan mo pa siya ilalagay? Imbis na ito lang dadalhin mo, kailangan mo pang dalhin to para lalagyan ng with muff o kaya, syempre, lalagay mo sa ibang pocket mo. So, nakabukod pa siya. With this one, pwede mo siyang i-attach dito. Tapos, naku-close mo pa rin yung case. Di ba? Doon pa lang sobrang wala na. I'm sold. It's a big deal For me, it's a big deal. Oh, di ba? Pak. Oh, that is not possible sa previous DJI Mic 1 and 2. Okay? So, good job, DJI. This is what I like about DJI because nakikinig sila sa mga users nila. Ganda. Nice one. I love it. Gamitan natin. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Again, this is the mic. Wow. Okay. Pero it comes with black and white. Pero syempre, black tayo. Para mas hindi siya pansinin. So, this is the receiver. Tinanggal na nila yung screen. Actually, yung screen, medyo hindi ko rin naman ginagamit. In fact, this receiver, never ko siya nagamit because hindi ko naman siya nagamit sa camera and then sa phone. Yan. So, ginamit ko lang yung mics ko for the Osmo Pocket. Comparison ng receiver, by the way. So, this is the receiver ng mic mini. Then, this one is the one from mic 2. Oh. Doon naman tayo sa cons. Ang cons lang nito, of course, since maliit siya, battery niya, syempre, is mas maliit din. Individually, mas mabilis siyang malobat. Pero, kasama yung case, kasama yung charging case, mas matagal daw yung battery. It will take 48 hours, itong total battery runtime. Kumpara dito na around 20-something or 30-something lang. Second na cons with this one is wala siyang internal recording. It doesn't have the 32-bit float audio file na hindi masakit sa tenga or yung alam mo yung halimbawa may tumili sobrang sakit sa tenga. Yung backup na yun yung may limiter. Pero ang maganda dito is meron siyang automatic na limiter. May limit lang siya ng decibel something. So, I can use this. Isa sa in-interview ko. And then, this one. Syempre, dun sa, nilalagay ko dun sa, dito. Yan. So, dito ko ilalagay ito. Magre-record yan. Para, meron akong backup audio. Just in case, something, happen with the connection. Or, minsan, hindi ko kasi na-turn on to human error. So, I have a backup here. Okay. So, that is my unboxing / quick review / why I need a new microphone. And yeah, so if you are interested, Pumpkin, get it dyan sa may yellow basket.